If you've ever been involved in hiring, you know the feeling. You post a great job opening, and then boom, you're suddenly buried under a mountain of CVs. So, how do you find those hidden gems without spending weeks just reading? Well, what if you could build a smart assistant to do it for you? In this explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to connect a few simple everyday tools to create an AI powered filter that finds your best candidates for you instantly.
I mean, this is the reality for so many recruiters, isn't it? For any single job, you could get hundreds, sometimes even thousands of applications. Manually sifting through every single one, checking skills, looking for the right experience. It's incredibly time consuming, and let's be honest, it's a really repetitive task. It's the classic bottleneck in the whole hiring process. But what if we could just automate that entire first pass? Well, the solution is to build an intelligent workflow. And no, we're not talking about buying some super expensive, complicated piece of software. We're talking about connecting the tools you probably already use to create a system that reads, analyzes, and then flags the best candidates for you, almost in real time. And here are the three core pieces of our system. It's actually pretty simple. First up, the Google Suite. Forms, Drive, and Sheets. This is basically our front door for collecting all the applications and storing the data. Next, there's a tool called NN. Think of this as the digital glue, or maybe the central nervous system of the whole operation. It's the automation engine that tells all the other tools what to do. And finally, the real star of the show, OpenAI. This is our AI brain, and it's going to do the heavy lifting of actually reading and understanding every resume. So, how does this all actually work together? Well, let's follow the journey of a single application. We'll trace it from the exact moment a candidate clicks submit all the way to their profile landing on a recruiter's desk, ready for a look. Okay, so it all starts when a candidate fills out a simple Google form with their basic info and uploads their CV. The second they hit submit, two things happen instantly. One, their information gets neatly filed into a new row on a Google Sheet. And two, their CV file gets saved to a specific folder in Google Drive. Now, that simple act, a new file appearing in a folder, is the spark that kicks off our entire automated workflow. And that spark has a technical name. It's called a trigger. In our setup, NN is just constantly listening to that specific Google Drive folder. The moment it hears or detects a new file, it springs into action and starts the whole process we've designed. It's really just like a digital tripwire. And now we get to the most exciting part. This is where the magic happens. The trigger has fired, the system has the candidate CV, it's time to hand it over to our AI to figure out, hey, is this person actually a good fit? This is where we go from just collecting data to generating some real intelligence. But hold on, first, there's a quick but absolutely crucial translation step. You see, these big AI language models, they don't really read PDF files. They work with pure text. So the very first thing our workflow does is extract all the text from the candidate's CV and, just as important, all the text from the job description we've provided. So now the AI has two simple blocks of text. On one side, you've got the candidate's entire career history. On the other, you have the company's wish list, the ideal profile. The AI's core job now is to act like a matchmaker, just comparing these two documents to find all the overlaps, the right keywords, and the relevant experience. So how do we actually tell the AI to do this? Well, it's surprisingly simple. We give it a direct instruction, which is called a prompt. We literally just tell it, provide a rating out of 100 on how much the following resume matches the following job description. That's it. We just feed it the two pieces of text and ask for one simple score back. And what's the result? Well, the AI analyzes everything, skills, years of experience, specific projects mentioned, and it distills all of that down to a single powerful number. In this example, a 92% match score. No more guesswork, no ambiguity, just a clear, data-driven reading. Okay, so we've got a score. That's great, but a score just sitting in a database isn't very useful, is it? So the final, critical part of our workflow is to turn that number into a decisive action that helps the HR team make a decision, and fast. First things first, the system takes that score, that 92%, and zips it right back into our Google Sheet. So now, right there, next to the candidate's name and contact info, you've got this new column with their AI-generated match score. This basically creates a clean, sortable leaderboard of every single applicant. Next, our workflow asks a really simple question. We get to set a threshold, let's say 85%. So the system asks, is the candidate's score higher than that number? This is just a simple if-then condition. If the answer is no, the workflow just stops right there for that candidate. But if the answer is yes, then an immediate action gets triggered. An email is automatically written up and sent directly to the hiring manager or the HR team. This means that within moments of a top candidate applying, the right person gets notified. There's no delay. And this email is perfectly efficient. It has a super clear subject line, the body gets right to the point, a new candidate has a score of 92%, and it includes a direct link right to their CV in Google Drive. This means a recruiter can go from getting a notification to reviewing a highly qualified candidate in literally a single click. So let's just zoom out for a second. What does a system like this really mean for the bigger picture? Because this isn't just a clever trick, it really represents a fundamental shift. It's all about using technology to augment human skills, not replace them. The goal here is to free up our human talent for the work that really matters, like building relationships with top candidates while the machine handles that repetitive first pass. When it comes down to it, the power of this kind of automation is huge. First, it saves an incredible amount of time. We're talking about turning weeks of manual work into an instant automated process. Second, it sharpens focus. Your team can stop wading through a sea of irrelevant applications and instead direct their energy only to the top contenders. And finally, all of this just speeds up the entire hiring process, making everything faster, more accurate, and driven by data, not just gut feelings. And remember, this whole system was built just by connecting 3 simple tools. It kind of makes you wonder, if we can automate resume screening this easily, what other tedious parts of our jobs are just waiting for a smart workflow to come along and transform them? What is the next task you're going to hand over to AI?